Welcome back, Angie Horkan from the Wisconsin Beef Council, joining us now from her kitchen. Happy New Year, Ange.
Happy New Year.
But you have some soup recipes. That's perfect for a chilly evening like this.
It is definitely a soup kind of day, isn't it? We didn't plan that, but it works out nicely. But I've got a couple of really new warm, hearty beef soup recipes I wanted to share with you guys today. And the first one I've got almost all the way done, so I'll finish it here quick. But if you're a dill pickle lover, this soup is for you. It's called a beefy dill pickle soup. So I started with a couple large russet potatoes. I peeled them and did a big dice, and then some carrots. And I simmered those in my stock pot in some beef broth and some butter. So about 20 minutes to get them softened. And then I'm going to add in a cup of chopped dill pickle and then a roux. And actually, the roux to thicken it is made with flour and half a cup of dill pickle juice and then some sour cream. So I got the dill pickle juice and the pickles in this soup, and you can really smell the pickle after you get it mixed up. So if you are a pickle lover, you got to try this. Now this roux will make this really nice and thick. So you want to give this a couple minutes at home to kind of thicken up. And then the beef goes on top. So I've got a top sirloin steak that I actually did on my stovetop in a cast iron pan in my grill pan. The recipe on the website says to grill it. So if you're still a January griller, go ahead. But I did mine right in the kitchen, and I did it to a nice medium rare. I did that while my potatoes and carrots were simmering. And this is already thickening up beautifully. And you'll see this is a beautiful soup, and it's delicious. I can smell the dill pickle juice. It's really fun. A new recipe to try. Kids should like it if they like dilled vegetables. And then put the steak right on top. The steak just has a little salt and pepper and a little all-purpose seasoning on it. Look at that. That's a beefy dill pickle soup. And my second recipe is called a creamy ground beef pasta soup. So you use spaghetti sauce, a can of tomato sauce. You got your pasta in here, cooks along with your ground beef, a little bit of onion and beef broth. And then at the end, put in half a chunk of cream cheese to make it creamy. 30-minute soup, 45-minute soup. You could top this with some fresh basil if you like. But look at that. Two awesome, stick to your ribs, warm, hearty, really tasty, family-friendly soup recipes. Perfect for days like today. Perfect for this winter. Beeftips.com is our Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click right on As Seen on TV, and you'll find these soup recipes plus a lot of other great beefy soup recipes. Perfect for this time of year. All brought to you by Wisconsin's beef and dairy producers through the Beef Checkoff.
I'm intrigued by this dill pickle soup.
It's very good. I can smell it. We loved dill pickles and dill vegetables. We make our own here in my house, so it's going to be one of our new favorites.
Okay, sounds good. All right, Angela, stay warm.
Yeah, you too. Hopefully I'll see you soon.